Are you recording me?
Yes, I am
There you
recording
go.
you.
This is my lyrics. Alright. Keep change
Blackberry.
change is the name of the game. Don't freak out, please let me explain. The very first integer stayed the same, but the amount of time and it got to change. As for the last one, this is what we do. Change to the opposite. Change to the who? The opposite. The opposite. Change to the opposite. Positive to negative and negative to positive. When adding integers, here's what we do. We gotta find the values, but they must be absolute. The next step is easy, like baking the cake. Now listen to these rules to see which road to take. If you have the same sign, then it's two simple steps. Add them up and keep the sign, and you'll be fine. It's as simple as that. Yes, it deals with ease. Now on to the next. Just follow me, please. Now, different signs, it's a little bit harder, but listen to these words and you'll be smarter. Put the bigger number first, and then subtract the other, then put the bigger number sign on the answer like it's mother.
Oh, no!
Interesting class.